today fitting throttle position sensor in the car, chasing all the different sensors, and eventually we'll find the one that's causing the trouble. Bit concerned about this one because apparently this is under tension. You've got to put it on and then turn it into the right place. So we'll see how we go. Right, so I've got right size key. That's it there. Now once bitten, twice shy. Here we go. Before I go to all the trouble of disconnecting it, let's make sure that the plug is the same. Yes. Right, so that's the plug off. Put that somewhere safe.
I'll go around this a bit.
Slacken that one off. We'll take this bottom one right out. Be careful not to fumble it, otherwise it will disappear down into all the gearbox linkages. Yeah. Right, so one out. Put it somewhere safe. Two. Just go on. So yes, so it goes that way when you take it off. Right. Okay. Always compare a component to make sure it's the same. Yes. Right. Right, what I'm going to do first is a little bit of copper slip on those screws, because this is an alloy housing, although that's never been a problem on that, but because it's an alloy housing you get an electrolytic action build up and they could seize in. I don't think they ever will, but just a little bit on there, a little bit on there is never going to do any harm. I'm sort of getting in. What I put it? Oh, which one was which? That's a new one, isn't it? Yes. Right. Because there are stern warnings on the packaging about overturning potentiometer, so this could be one way or t'other. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's the phone. Go on, you better go and get that. Right, phone call answered. Nip these up. Okay, make sure the throttle, there's no resistance there. Plug on. Right, just going to start it up, see if it will run. You know, it's cold. That might make a difference at the moment. It puts in a little high, doesn't it? Let's give it some rev to see what it does. Noise then as I was doing that.
No, might be listening.
That's that. I don't know if you can hear that. If you listen to that valve, I didn't know it was doing it before it makes. Yeah, that's the valve doing its thing. Well, that seems to be revving idling a little better. Only thing we can do is suck it and see. Take it for a drive and have a look. Right, well, still nothing to do with humberings, and there goes the phone again. So Bye for now.